Unlock a world of love and well-being for your furry best friend with these simple, nutritious homemade dog food recipes that won't break the bank. Step 1. Gather your wholesome ingredients. We're focusing on lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and vibrant vegetables for a balanced meal today. We're making a delicious chicken and sweet potato base, a favorite for many pups. Step 2. Prepare your protein. For every 20 pounds of your dog's body weight, we'll use about half a pound of lean protein. Dice boneless, skinless chicken breast into small, manageable pieces. This ensures easy digestion. Step 3. Add complex carbohydrates. Sweet potatoes are fantastic for sustained energy and are packed with vitamins. Peel and cube about 1 cup of sweet potato per 20 pounds of your dog's weight. Broccoli is another great addition, offering fiber and nutrients. Step 4. Incorporate vegetables. Aim for about a 1/4 cup of finely chopped vegetables per 20 pounds. Broccoli is excellent, but you can also use carrots, green beans, or peas. Remember to chop them small to avoid choking hazards. Step 5. Cooking method. We'll gently cook these ingredients. Boil or steam until the chicken is thoroughly cooked and the vegetables are tender. Avoid adding any seasonings or oils that aren't dog safe. Step 6. Portion control is key. A general guideline is to feed your dog about 23% of their ideal body weight in homemade food per day, split into 2 meals. So, for a 40-pound dog, that's roughly 1 to 15 pounds of cooked food daily. Step 7. Mix it up. You can serve this homemade food as a complete meal, or mix it with their regular high-quality kibble for added nutrition and flavor. A small amount of dog-safe yogurt or a sprinkle of flaxseed can add a healthy fats boost. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Always introduce new foods gradually to avoid stomach upset. This homemade approach ensures your dog gets fresh, recognizable ingredients for optimal health and happiness, while also saving you money. For more recipes and helpful tips, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.